Hello guys, this is Siva here again. Welcome back to my channel. So guys, I'm back again with another powerful strategy. This one right here is for catching spike. Okay, it's a spike catching strategy and it's very powerful. Okay, so if you have a $20 account, okay, it's strictly from $20 above. So if you have as little as $20, you can grow it with this strategy. Okay, so I've tested it with a $20 account and I've grown that account like 3 times. Okay, so if you're having a $20 account and you're having difficulty growing that account, you will be able to do it with this strategy. Okay, so you make sure you watch this video till the end, follow every rules I'm going to be giving concerning how to use the strategy and what you need to observe before taking an entry. Okay, so let's go into that. Okay, but before we do that, if you are coming across my channel for the first time, make sure to like this video, subscribe if you haven't done that, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell so that whenever I post a powerful strategy like this, you get notified immediately, guys. So with that out of the way, let's go straight to how the strategy works. Okay, now it's a very simple strategy. It's a very simple strategy to understand. There's nothing here to be confused about. Okay, the first condition for this strategy before taking an entry is to, first of all, you are going to allow all the moving averages to get to the overbought level here, which is the 90 and the 80 level. Okay, see, as you can see, we are on crash and this is a spike catching strategy, so we are going to be selling and we are going to be buying on boom. So you allow all the averages to get to the overbought level here, the 80 and the 90 level. As you can see, everything is above here now. So, and here on the main chart, okay, you are going to, once everything gets to this level, the next thing you do is to wait for spike. Okay, you don't just go in, because most of the time when it gets to that level, it will still continue going up. Okay, it will still continue going up, and the only way to avoid that is to wait for a spike. Okay, is to wait for a spike. So once you wait for that spike, okay, and you see there's a spike, then you are going to look on the main chart. You go, that spike that will come, you make sure it break through this level here, this black line, okay, which is our moving average 35. That spike is going to break below it, and that will be telling you that that support and resistance zone there, the price has break below it. Okay, it's going to break below it. Now you know this is spike, this is spike we are dealing with, so it will not go back to retest most of the time. So once you see the spike happen like that, you just go in for your sell. Okay, you go in, and we are going to be risking $2. You know, we are dealing with a $20 account, so we are going to be risking $2 for every trade we take. Okay, so you are risking $2. So you can see after this happened, there was multiple spikes. Okay, the spike keep coming and keep coming. Okay, and they are going to be holding till it gets to the, are going to be holding till it gets to the 20 and the 10 level. Okay, so once you see this happen, you go out and you wait for the next opportunity. Now guys, I want to show you something. You see that this thing right here, at this point, is fluctuating. Okay, it's going up and down. So you are going to make sure that this moving average are in a very strong support and resistance level. Okay, you don't just go in once you see it touching that 80 and 90 level. Okay, so you need to take note of these things. You need to like take your entries from this strong one. Okay, you don't just take entry from any level like that. So you need to make sure it's a strong support and resistance level. You can see right now that it's going up and down at this junction. It's going up and down. So this one right here, you are not to take trade because it's going to go back in loss. Okay, it's not that spike will not come. Spike will come, but it will go back in loss. Okay, you're going to lose $2 there. So, but if you hold, you will be able to go back in profit. But we are trying to grow our account here, so we don't want to be losing every time. So you make sure you wait for the strong and good opportunity before taking an entry. So you wait for price to get to a strong level. As you can see right here, as you can see right here at this level, it's no longer fluctuating. Okay, showing that that area is a very strong support and resistance level. So you wait for the spike to come. Once the spike break through the black moving average, you can see that here also, you see that here also the red the red envelope. Okay, this is an envelope here. The red line is an envelope indicator. So I will show you whenever I'm like sharing the strategy setup with you. I will show you everything. So let's just take it as a red line now. Okay, so you see that this red line will cross, it will cross below the blue and the it will cross below the blue line. Okay, and the green line also will cross below the blue line. So once all this thing is happening, you just go in for your sell. Okay, you go in for your sell, and your stop loss is going to be $2, and then you hold till it gets to this 80 it gets to the 20 and 10 level. So let's go again. Let's look for another example. You can see right here it's fluctuating, so it's not a good entry for you. So you wait till it gets to a strong level. This right here is a strong level. So I will be showing you guys how to like know the strong level using support and resistance. Okay, so just stick to the video, don't go anywhere. I'll show you another way to know a strong support and resistance level so that you'll be very sure. Now here also is a strong support and resistance level right here. So you are going to wait for your conditions to happen, the spike, the crossing of this red line below the blue one, and then you take your entry. So that is how to take entry with this strategy. Now let me go to the higher time frame, which is the 1 hour, and then I'm going to be showing you guys another method of knowing your strong support and resistance level. Okay, we are going to be using only support and resistance level for our analysis, okay, before taking an entry. Now this is how you are going to be doing it. Okay, you are going to bring out your tool. Okay, you are going to first of all mark out the most recent structure the market make, which is this one right here. Okay, so you mark it out. You can see that price tested it multiple times in the past. Okay, you can see there was a test in here, there was another one here. So that shows that it's a strong support and resistance level. So now you are going to mark out another one here. Okay, this is another strong support and resistance level right here, and then this is another strong support and resistance level right here also. Here also is another strong support and resistance level right here. Okay, we have another one right here at this level. You can see that price tested it multiple times and failed to break it. Here is another one. So guys, this is how you'll be marking it out. You are going to be marking every single support and resistance zone you are seeing on your chart. Anyone you can find. It's either you go to the 1 hour time frame or you go to the 4 hours time frame. Okay, so you can see how it is. You are going to mark this one also, the last support and resistance zone you are seeing there. Mark it like this. So this is how you are going to be marking it, so that you are going to know whenever you are at the strong support and resistance zone on your 1 minute time frame, so that you won't get confused. As you can see right here, you can see this is the current level, the current place the market is right now. You can see how price is going up and down right here at this zone. So once it goes to this zone, let's say this is where it first touched that zone. Okay, as you can see, this is the place price first touched it. It went up at this junction. You can see it is in agreement with your indicator window. They are both agreeing with each other. You can see that on the main chart, price is showing you that we are on a strong support and resistance zone, and on the indicator window, price is also telling you that we are on a strong support and resistance level. So once you see these things happening, what you need to do now is to wait for spike. As you can see right here, there was a spike and it broke through the black line. Okay, so once you see that, what you do is to quickly go in for your sell, and once that's happened, you see there will be spike. You can see this maximum spike right here. You can see how wonderful it is. Okay, and then when it gets to this level, you take your profit and you are out. As you can see that for yourself. So this is a very sweet strategy, guys. It's a very sweet strategy. You can see here again, it's touching the overbought level here, and price is also at the blue support and resistance line here. So you are to take your sell entry, and then you'll be making that money. Okay, you'll be making that sweet money. So as you can see, guys, this is a very sweet strategy if you blend it with price action. Okay, if you blend it with price action, always go to your higher time frame, do your analysis, and then you blend it with your strategy and you are good to go. So without wasting much of our time, I'm going to just share with you the setup. Okay, so guys, if you have watched to this level and you have not yet subscribed, please make sure you do that. Subscribe, give the video a thumbs up, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell, so that whenever I post a powerful strategy like this, you get notified immediately. Okay, now for our setup, you click on this F icon right here. After clicking on the F icon, the first indicator right here is the moving average, which is the black moving average on our main chart. Okay, so these are the setup. Okay, the period is 35, the shift 0, method exponential applied to. We have the close, and under the style we have 3 pixel. The color is black. After that, you click on done. So that is it for our first indicator. The second one is the relative strength index. Okay, you click on it. Our first setup here is the period. The period is 12. Apply to close. Under the style we have 4 pixel. You make the color white, and here are the levels. You use the level 10, 90, 20, and 80. Okay, so after that you click on done. Okay, so our next indicator here is the Ichimoku. You click on it, you can see these are the setup 99. Okay, so just make sure you set it the way you are seeing it here. Okay, screenshot everything you are seeing, or you write it down somewhere. Okay, so after that you click on done. So these are the setup. These are everything you need to know. You click on done, and then the next one, which is the envelope right here. Okay, you click on it, and then these are the setup. Okay, the period is 14, shift 0, deviation 0.001, method is simple, apply to close, and then these are the styles. Under the style we have upper band, lower band. The first one is 4 pixel. They just use the same color for them, okay? So after this one, after all this, you click on done. So the envelope is the most important indicator on our indicator window. So the envelope is the red line you are seeing here. So it's the most important one, the one you need to take note of very, very well. Okay, so whenever it touches the 90, that is when you are to go in for sale. Okay, if it doesn't touches the 90 or is fluctuating, going up and down, don't take any entry. Okay, so that is how it is for this strategy. Okay, make sure you are blending it with price action. Okay, make sure you are blending it with price action. Make sure the indicator is in agreement with your blue line. Okay, if not, don't go in. Okay, so if you keep doing this, guys, I promise you are going to make money. So this is how we do it, guys. This is how we do it. Make sure any strategy you have, you are blending it with price action, because price action is the king. Okay, price action is the king, guys. Price action is the strategy that will never fade. Okay, so any strategy you are blending with price action also will not fade. So use this and grow your $20, guys. Use this and grow your $20. I'm not sure for $10, because there are times when you are going to fail like 4 times in a row, and with a $10 account you won't be able to you won't be able to open any other position. So but with a $20 account you can still open position, and maybe when there is spike you'll be able to recover back your account and even make more profit. So I recommend you start with a $20 account. That one you won't be able to blow it if you are using this strategy. So that's it, guys. If you love the video, don't forget to subscribe, because there are more spike catching strategy like this and more profitable strategy that I will be dropping here on this channel. So thank you, guys. More money, guys. Silver out.